Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change caption text size, that is caption font size in our phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of our phone here, then go to accessibility, then here select caption preferences, and here click on caption size and style, and here select text size. Already text size is set to medium. If you want to enlarge text size, click on large, and if you click on very large, see here the preview captions will look like this. Okay, if you want to use small size, click on very small. Okay, if you want to keep on a default option, click on medium. So in this way you can easily change caption text size in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.